No. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adriana and this is Snuggles. I have dyed my hair. You can't really tell in this lighting, but I will show you in new lighting. Anyways, gonna dye my hair. I did dye dyed my hair. I'll record another video today for Christmas haul, and usually I never really normally ever decorate before Thanksgiving, but with the whole pandemic it's just so I'll see you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the best is in lighting. I'm about to do my hair right now, so I will be putting that in the video. The bleaching did not do the best in the middle. It did bleach really good right here to the point where I literally thought my hair was gonna fall off, and the tips. But it did get purple here, but it's more of like, I don't know, it's like I only did the roots and this, but like my whole head is really purple. When it's time to re-dye my hair, I will be I have you on camera, mister. Yeah, I'm about to do my hair, so I'm gonna put that in right now, and then I'll see you guys in the end of the video. And now I am going to plug in, but please go listen to We Need to Talk with Adriana on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and so much many more.